Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you guys can fly in your Stumble Guys match. It's actually pretty simple. First of all, we're going to go ahead and load into the game so I can show you guys. So to do this, when you start running, as you can see, my character is running around. So to do the flying thing, you just have to basically jump and jump again. So when you double jump in the air, you'll be able to fly around in the sky. For example, if I'm running here and I need to double jump, I will go ahead and jump again. And you can do this as many times as you want in the game, but you can only double jump once. So for example, I jump and I jump again. I'm not going to be able to do 3 jumps in the air. So that's basically the most simple way to put it. And after you get through here, you can go ahead and double jump, and then as much as you want. Remember, you can do this as much as you want, and you'll be able to slide down. And if you do that again, as you can see, you're able to get through. And that's the very, very simple way of how you do it. Thank you for watching.